Good day, everyone. Today we are trading euro fundamentals. We are trading fundamentals today. Euro. I have about a few seconds to enter the market, and we are trading euro. I'll go to it afterwards. MT4. On this 1 minute strategy, we enter the market. On my strategy, we enter 5 seconds before the event. We enter 5 seconds before the event. We have the monetary event today. I'm using lot size 0.50. It's a demo account just for educational purposes. I'm buying euro. I'm buying it. It's an event. We are already inside. Let me go to the news and show you that today we are trading euro monetary event. The position is still running 1 minute strategy, and we are already in profit. So for calendars, today, this is the event. Euro, German, ZEW economic sentiment. This is what we are trading at 12 o'clock. We are already 1 minute and 40 seconds inside. This is the profit. With just one candlestick, we are already inside. I'll close just now. It's bound to go high. So we are killing euro, German, ZEW economic sentiment. So when the previous is below and the actual is high, this tells us that this event is gonna rise high. Let's see what it does. I'll take any profit, but this is, you can use any lot size you want to use. You can risk, on this strategy you risk high to get high returns, but there's always losses on the trades. There are losses on the forex market, so use risk management. The correct risk management. This is a $1,000 account, so I can use 0.50 lot size, or even standard lot size 1. I can use that lot size because my account can be able to sustain that much lot. So let's see for a few minutes. What happens. The spread is still high. This is it's a demo account. It's a demo account just for educational purposes. So I'm going to hold it for just a few minutes, and then I'll be out. The event just started around 12. The event started at 12. The event started at 12. Euro event. German ZEW economic sentiment. 3 bulls. These 3 bulls represent that the market is gonna have a strong movement at 12 o'clock. There's gonna be a strong movement at 12 o'clock. Let me go back to the trade. The trade is still running. Usually I hold these positions for 5 minutes to 15 minutes. 5 minutes to 15 minutes. I wait for the next 15-minute candlestick to change. But you make profit with just 1 minute. You make profit profits with just 1 minute. As you saw that I made profits with just 1 minute. Let's see what they have for us. Euro. Let's see what they have for us. Let's see what they have for us. Remember guys, you risk only what you can afford. You risk only what you can afford. Yeah, we're still inside. So for this event, you need to have the following apps to use this strategy. You need to have the stopwatch, the one that is running here on my home screen, the stopwatch, and the forex calculator. I do not have the forex calculator app. I uninstalled it because I now can master all the lot sizes that you can use to risk on any account. So you need to download the stopwatch and the forex calculator app. So on the strategy, you enter 1 minute before the event. You enter 1 minute before actually not 1 minute before. You enter 5 seconds before 12 o'clock. 5 seconds before the event, you enter your buy or you enter your sell. And then in order to predict if whether it's a buy or a sell, when the previous is below the actual price, you buy. When the actual price is below the previous price, you sell. That's how you follow this strategy, and you make profits within a matter of minutes and within a matter of seconds. I'm still inside waiting for it to spike up. I bet around 15 minutes it's gonna give me what I want. So the next event that is gonna come, there are a lot of events, but there are 24 events in a month. So I only trade 6 events that pays me a lot of money. So today I decided that I'm not going to trade euro. Plus euro is not also on my watch list. I trade AUD pairs, USD pairs, and NZD pairs. Euro is just there for educational purposes as I'm doing today, but although you can also trade it. It's just that I have my own plan and I'm showing you guys other plans that you can use. Maybe you as a beginner, you might use euro, you might follow the euro events. So there are other events. FOMC at 10 o'clock today, Dali speaks. And then let's see tomorrow. Tomorrow early in the morning we have RBA assist government Kent speaks AUD event. So on this government Kent speaks, you need to subscribe on live streams or you follow the live streams. So at this time, the assistant of RBA government Kent is going to speak about the influences the market have on the AUD, Australian dollar. So if the government Kent speaks positive things, you'll buy. There will be movements on the market which anticipate buy. And if he or she mentions things that are gonna bring down the market, like maybe jobs are gonna be lost or something like that, then we look to sell. We also have CPI event on tomorrow at 9 o'clock GBP. We have CPI event tomorrow at 9 o'clock. I'm going to be trading CPI event tomorrow GBP. So when the previous is below price, when the previous is below the actual price, the market is going to rise. So tomorrow I'm going to buy GBP. Let me see how that trade is performing. Let me see how it's performing. Yeah, I'll wait for it to change the candlestick. We'll wait for a few minutes for it to reach the 15-minute candlestick, the next candlestick, and from there I'm out. It's still floating at small profits, still floating at small profits. One position is enough. One position is enough. If you open one position and you risk your position, or you can have a fast broker that can allow you to open multiple positions on this event within just 5 seconds before the event. So now I'm in the event already, 10 minutes in the event, looking at my stopwatch, already 10 minutes in the event, waiting for the 15-minute candlestick to change. Let's wait and see. And remember, the market is 10% selling, 10% buying, and 80% waiting. 80% waiting. So tomorrow, guys, I'll be buying GBP. Tomorrow, CPI, GBP. So there are 24 events in a month. Firstly, guys, the tools, you need to download the stopwatch app. This app that I have, the stopwatch and the forex calculator. And lastly, investing.com. Investing.com. This app that shows you the economic events. Tomorrow I'm killing GBP with a buy. Let me see, continuing tomorrow. Tomorrow we also have Euro ECB monetary policy statement. I'm not gonna be trading Euro. As I said, I don't follow Euro. I'm doing Euro for educational purposes. I can even trade this event tomorrow on my demo account just to display how Euro participates. So Euro does not move quite well like other pairs that I trade, like the AUD and the USD and also the GBP pair. So on this one, I have to hold at least 5 to 15 minutes before it gives me the profit that I want. But on other pairs like Australian dollar event, United States dollar event, and the Great Britain pound event, those are the ones that can move within split seconds, and I make my profits within split seconds or within a maximum of 2 minutes, and then I'm out. So it rised into profit within just 12 minutes. Looking at the stopwatch, I've made $10 on the $1,000 account, plus $10. Let's wait for 4 minutes for the next candlestick to change, the next 15-minute candlestick to change. So guys, I hope you understand how the Euro works. This is how the Euro works, because the Euro is moving, but it doesn't have much volatile value than like AUD, GBP, and USD. So Euro moves the way small pips, but it can make you profits like $12. So that's why you have to risk what you have. A trader must risk. On this strategy, you risk. But if not, use the correct risk management. Use proper lot size. Don't be greedy. If you are satisfied with your profits, close the positions. Continuing, let me check this week. Tomorrow we are having a GBP event at 9 CPI, 9 a.m. in the morning. Continuing throughout the day, we also have ECB monetary policy statement. Euro event continuing. We have core retail sales tomorrow. This is the event that I'm going to trade. USD 3:30 core retail sales. So if the previous price is below the actual price, the price will rise. So USA tomorrow, I'm going to buy this one, though it is negatives. It's gonna be negatives for maybe a minute. We make profits within a minute or split seconds. So I'm going to buy this event tomorrow for a few split seconds. As I said, on this USD event, I won't be holding as much time as I hold on the Euro. Within just a maximum of 2 minutes, I will be out with satisfying profits. Continuing on Wednesday. We have the FOMC meeting minutes. This is a huge event at 9 o'clock for USD. FOMC stands for Federal Open Market Committee. So it doesn't show the previous and the actual, but hopefully it will show the information throughout tomorrow during the day, because the event is going to happen at night. I'm going to profit on this one, but I have confidence. I'm confident with everything that I do on the forex market, and I take risks. So if I'm going to lose, it will be a lesson. I will learn from my losses. If I make profits, I will be happy. Yeah, the candlestick just changed. Let me go check the next 15-minute candlestick. I'm closing just now. I'm gonna close just now. Yeah, it moved, but it didn't move the way I wanted it to move. I'm going to close this $2. Have a good day, guys. I hope you understood this event, the Euro event. The Euro event does not usually move as much, but other events they move. But nonetheless, $2.5, $2.50, you cannot get it from anywhere. You can make this much with the risk that you take. God bless.